Thank you for coming back to the iCorrect channel, and today we're taking a look at a MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 edition, and this was showing no signs of life. Our client had confirmed that it had been to a repair shop before us, which we could immediately tell as soon as we opened up that back lid. We make general checks across the logic board and then dive a little bit deeper into the charging circuit, and this is actually where we found our fault, within the power lines that come out of the charging microchip. This single line will short to the ground and it's called an LDO, which is a low dropout line. As it's a line that comes out of the microchip, the only repair possible is to replace the microchip. Now, on this edition, they are not paired to the logic board, which we are expecting in the newer MacBooks. Lucky for us, we're able to replace this chip to restore full functionality. We first start by removing the old microchip and prepping the area, and then the new microchip requires us to go through a reballing process. That's where we're like renewing the chip with brand new solder balls so that the connection can be made between the microchip and the logic board. Outside of the final success, the reballing process of the microchip is probably the most fun that we have during our repair process. The new microchip in place, there's no visual signs to say that we have gone in for repair. Our aim here is to repair at Apple factory level. There really is a difference between good and bad repair, and when working at microchip level, it has to be perfect. Using our same testing, we confirmed that that particular short to ground had now been removed, meaning that the MacBook then powered on correctly. We're happy we could have provided this repair with all of the data present, meaning our client had no loss of data. If you have a MacBook that requires a repair, you're more than welcome to get in touch via our website, where you can also submit a diagnostic request.